A very good afternoon, dear students. Today we are going to discuss about the FMS or a flexible manufacturing system. So, what is FMS and flexible manufacturing system? Okay. Till now in our first unit, we discussed about the different concepts of industrial automations, how we can implement industrial automation in different factory level or different plant level. After that, in this particular unit, we already discussed about the concept of group technology and part families. In the sequel of that, today's topic is about the FMS, a flexible manufacturing system. So first we should know what is actually an FMS or a FMS flexible manufacturing system. So first we need to define it, and because it is an add-on, you can say that add-on kind of in your automated system or a group technology system. So basically, if we talk about a flexible manufacturing system, a system, a factory you can say, or a production system you can say, or a manufacturing system you can say, is that which have a capability of adopting different changes in your manufacturing operations, in your production sequences, in your different part configurations or different types of parts you can say, which can be manufactured at that particular workstations, okay, without doing a big changes, or you can say that without doing a without changing different procedures. Okay, so means that the flexibility in that particular manufacturing system or the flexibility in that particular machine cell or a production system is such that so it can easily adopt the different or the slight changes in that particular cell, the part which is going to be manufactured in that particular cell or a you can say that production system or that particular shop floor. We don't need to change our production sequences, our manufacturing sequences, our tool, our machines at a big level. Okay, so means that a flexible manufacturing system should have a flexibility. Okay, so if we talk about the flexibility, if we talk about the flexibility, okay, the flexibility, it means that in your machines, in your part or component, in your material handling system, and in your flexibility in your machines, in your component, in your material handling system, and in your even in your inventory system. Okay, if we talk about for being a flexible manufacturing system kind of a thing in our plant or in our production system, we should have flexibility. Means that the flexibility in your machines means that the machines which we are using to manufacture such a component of that particular part family of that particular configurations, we don't need to change our machines for even if we are doing as changes in our part or a component dimensions, sizes, or material even. Okay, so that means that we don't need to change our machines for that particular changes. Okay, so means that our flexibility in our machines also should be there. The part or a component means that suppose first for an example, we are manufacturing a component or a part of a 10 mm diameter, and after that our design changes, or the dimension of the part or the component changes, and then now the dimension which we required is around of course 5 mm. So for that particular we don't need to change our tools or a setup, okay, because it will of course takes time. So that flexibility in your system should be available. Third is your material handling system. Okay, so material handling system means that the system which is going to handle your material in house, from one shop floor to another shop floor, one one cell to another cell, one machine to another machines, and one workstation to another workstation. So that material handling system should be in such a flexible, it should be such a kind of flexibility is that it can handle numerous kind of a part or a component easily without doing so much changes in itself. Okay, and another is your inventory system. So means that in inventory system what basically we are doing, because suppose where after manufacturing the component or part, where we are going to store the component, where we are going to do the inventory of those product or a component. So our inventory system should be in such a way that where we can store our different types of car parts or component without doing so much changes in our that inventory system. Okay, that kind of flexibility in your inventory system should be available. And even in your human resource, human resource means that what kind of a flexibility we need in our human resource while we are talking about the concept of flexible manufacturing system. Means that our manpower, our operator, our trainer, or our engineer which is working on that particular machine or that particular process, he or she should be such a flexible that they can easily adopt the changes in our manufacturing processes, the manufacturing sequences, the operations which we are going to perform, or the part which we are going to manufacture in that particular factory. Okay, so that is very very important point is that, so it means that we need to train our operator, we need to train our employee, we need to train our engineer or operator or the manpower in such a way that they have a kind of a flexibility so that they can easily adopt these changes. Okay, so these are the different aspect, or these are the different levels of any manufacturing system, so that we can call that particular manufacturing system as an FMS or a flexible manufacturing system. Means that simply if we talk of manufacturing of a flexible manufacturing system, it means that simply we should have flexibility at each and different level of our plant. Means that we should have flexibility in our material handling system, we should have flexibility in our manufacturing system, we should have flexibility in our machine system, we should have flexibility in our human resource or manpower also, and we should have flexibility also in our inventory system where we are going to store our manufactured component or a product. Okay, so if we have these kind of a flexibilities are available in our manufacturing system or in our production system, then only we can say that this particular manufacturing system is a kind of a flexible manufacturing system. Okay, yes, so I hope you understand what is actually about the flexible manufacturing system. Okay, so we move further. If we talk about the component of a flexible manufacturing system, what are the main component of FMS? If we talk about the different components of FMS, means that what are the different components of flexible manufacturing system. So first one is your workstations. Second is about your workstation. Second is your component. First is your workstation, second is your human source / manpower. and third is your workstation is the first component FMS. Second is your human resource or like manpower, and third one is your control system, which may be automatic. Okay, if we talk about the components or the different components of an FMS, is what are the different components of a flexible manufacturing system. First one is your workstation. Workstation simply means that the station or a cell of a machines or of a different manufacturing processes where we are going to perform our different manufacturing processes or the operations to produce to manufacture such a component or a part. Okay.